Hi beauties, I'm back with Koco Guide. Hi beauties, welcome back to Hikoco's channel. We finally stocked the Klairs Youthful Glow Mask in Hikoco. It is one of the hyped up K-beauty products that everyone was waiting for, including myself. And I'm wondering why people like this product and what is the difference to the Klairs Original Sugar Mask. So today I'm going to compare these two products and I'll let you know which one suits the most on your skin. Let's get started. So let's start with the Klairs Youthful Glow Sugar Mask. The Youthful Glow Mask comes with 21 different ingredients, all ingredients from natural source. The main ingredient of this product is sucrose 20%. So sucrose is a natural sugar found from many of exfoliators. Its ability to attract and retain moisture, which means it's quite hydrating even if you're exfoliating your skin. And it's also beneficial in controlling the blemishes. And also it balances your skin natural oil and water. Basically, this is 3-in-1 product. So you can use it as an exfoliator, makeup remover, and wash-off mask. That sounds interesting, right? So if you've got this product, you can cover 3 different steps at once. A neutral pH level of 7 and nourish your skin, gently exfoliating, also cleansing your skin, remove the makeups, brightening and hydrating. Let's move on to the Klairs Gentle Black Sugar Facial Polish. So basically it comes with 15 different ingredients and the main ingredient is obviously black sugar, shea butter, cranberry oil, and vitamin E. This product is mainly for removing the dead skin cells and blackheads with black sugar and shea butter. It is gentle but still really effective. It physically removes the dead skin cells to get your skin to be smoother and brighter. And I've seen a lot of reviews that by using this one, brighten up their blackheads. It's really good for the gentle exfoliating, even for the sensitive skin. It also moisturizing your skin, which will also help and treat your dry patches. Let's try. I'll start with the Klairs Youthful Glow Sugar Mask. This is the most fun part of this comparison because I've tried a black sugar one from Klairs, but this is my first time to try this Youthful Glow. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that comes with the inner lid. It's pink, like pastel pink color with a bit of the sugar inside of it. It looks really soft and it looks like a sorbet. A little bit citrus. I'm going to use the spatula to scoop it out and I'll see how it goes. So maybe like this amount will do for whole face. Oh, that's really soft. Textures like a soft oil one. It comes with a crystal of sugars, but it's not too harsh. It's really soft and gentle. It's very thick in consistency. I thought it's really light in texture, but it's not. It's not that light. It's easy to rub on my skin, but I can feel it removes all the dead skin cells. After I rinse it off, it gives me really soft feeling, slightly brighter than before. As I mentioned before, the Klairs Youthful Glow Sugar Mask, you can use it into 2 different ways and that gives 3 different effects on your skin. Firstly, if you want to use it as exfoliator, rinse it off your skin before you're using this product and scoop a little bit and spread on your skin and gently rub it in about like 30 seconds and rinse it off with the water. And if you want to use this product as a nourishing mask on the dry skin, you can just spread evenly on your skin, leave it about 10 minutes and then rinse it off with the water. And the both way, it removes the makeup that's from your deep pores. So if you want to do the deep cleansing for the nighttime uses, it's really perfect product. Moving on to the Gentle Black Sugar Facial Polish. So it comes with the inner cap to minimize the oxidization of this product. Don't throw it away. This black sugar mask smells like ginger, honey. I try to scoop it with my finger. The texture is like more like honey. You can also use the spatula to scoop it out, but comparing to the Youthful Glow Mask, this one is not too thick in texture. Once I rub it in, the sugar crystal is quite larger than the Youthful Glow. I think this one is more for exfoliating. This product describe it as it's good for removing the dead skin cells and blackheads. I believe they will lighten the blackheads. Once you scrub it on your skin, I feel like magically removes the dead skin cells. And I think it's really good for your like elbow or armpit if you've got like a pigmentation. I think that will help for that. And it doesn't leave my skin dry out, which is good. And it doesn't leave any like tingly feeling after that, even it comes with really large size of sugars. I recommend this Youthful Glow Sugar Mask for dry to sensitive skin. If someone gets really lazy at night or busy during the day and just want to use one product to cover the exfoliating and removing the makeups and deep cleansing, maybe you should try this one. After using this one, it's quite hydrating, moisturizing, so it's perfect for dry or dry combination or dry sensitive skin like my skin. If you want to get a really nice gentle exfoliating product, you should try this one. This is amazing product. And if someone's got really oily T-zones, blackheads, whiteheads, and very rough skin texture, you should go with this black sugar facial polish. And if someone prefer to get like physical exfoliating effect without having dry finish, I think this one is really good product for you. So today I've compared these two different products, and also I introduced a new Klairs Youthful Glow Sugar Mask to our beauties. How was it? I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!